Editing a 10-minute video usually takes me 1 to 2 hours, cutting mistakes, removing silence, fixing audio, adding captions. So I wanted to test something. Can I actually edit the same video 10 times faster using Wondershare Filmora? Let's find out.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
So here's what I did. I recorded a raw talking head video. No edits, no cuts. It has pauses, mistakes, background noise, no captions, no visuals. Basically, the kind of footage that normally takes hours to clean. Now I'm going to edit this entire video using Filmora's AI features, step by step. First thing I do, I drop my footage into the timeline. Normally, this is the most painful part of editing. You go through the whole video, cut every pause manually, trim every mistake. That alone can take 30 to 40 minutes. But here's what I tested. Inside Filmora, there's AI silence detection. I turn it on. Filmora scans the entire video, and instantly, it detects all the dead space. With one click, all the silence is removed automatically. No manual cutting, no timeline zooming, and the result? The video is already tighter, faster, and way more watchable. This step alone saved me a huge amount of time. Next, captions. If you've ever added subtitles manually, you know how slow that is. Typing everything, syncing it, adjusting timing, it's easily another 30 minutes gone. So here's what I tested. Filmora has auto captions. I click generate, select the language, and in a few seconds, the entire video is transcribed and synced automatically. No typing, no timing adjustments, and it's surprisingly accurate. Now I already have clean cuts, full captions, and I barely did anything manually. Now, let's make the video more engaging, because just talking isn't enough anymore. Normally, this is where editing gets messy. Searching stock footage, downloading clips, importing files, adjusting everything. So I tested Filmora's AI media tools. Instead of leaving the editor, I go inside the AI media section, I type a prompt based on what I'm saying, click generate, and Filmora creates a visual clip right there. No switching apps, no downloads, no interruptions. I can drag it straight into the timeline. And this is where things start to feel different, because instead of breaking my workflow, I stay inside one place and keep building the video. Next problem, audio. My raw footage has some background noise. Normally, I'd use external tools or spend time tweaking audio manually. But here's what I tested. Filmora has AI audio denoise. I enable it, and instantly, the background noise is reduced. The voice becomes clearer without extra work. No plugins, no complicated settings, just one click.
We are looking at something actually different.
Now let's talk about refining the video. Sometimes you want to remove backgrounds, highlight subjects, adjust elements. Filmora includes tools like AI Portrait Smart Cut. Instead of masking frame by frame for remove your background, I just click and Filmora isolates it automatically. This is something that would normally take serious time in advanced software. Here, it's simplified. You can add some effect for outliner too. It's perfect combination for give you variation style videos. At this point, here's what I have. Clean footage, no silence, captions fully generated, visuals added, audio cleaned, edits refined. Now I just arrange everything on the timeline, add a few transitions, adjust pacing, and the video is basically done. So here's the real question. How long did this take? Normally, 1 to 2 hours of editing. With Filmora, around 15 to 20 minutes. And that's where the 10 times faster actually comes from. Not because editing is magic, but because all the repetitive tasks are handled automatically. And honestly, that's the biggest difference. Wondershare Filmora doesn't replace editing. It removes the parts that slow you down. So instead of cutting silence, typing captions, searching for assets, you focus on the content, the message, the creativity. If you're editing videos regularly for YouTube, content, or business, This kind of workflow saves hours every week. And once you get used to this speed, going back to manual editing feels slow. If you want to try it out, check the link below. And if you found this useful, let me know what you think.